If you're looking to buy an iPhone, please stop. Let me tell you, this is not the good time to buy an iPhone. And that is because the Big Billion Days sale is around the corner. During Big Billion Days sale, you see a massive drop in prices of iPhone. So if you want to save some money, watch this video till the end. In today's video, I'm going to share the best prices in which you can buy an iPhone in Big Billion Days sale. I have been tracking the prices of iPhone for the past 3 years during Big Billion Days sale, and one thing that I can assure you is that the Big Billion Days sale is the best time to buy an iPhone. Before we talk about the prices, you need to know that typically Big Billion Days sale happens in late September, early October, which is just around the corner. So I would suggest that you hold on to your existing device for another 2 to 3 months. With this, let's start with the iPhone 12. So last year, this phone was available for around 30 to 35k during the Big Billion Days sale. And if you want to try and buy this phone today, then it is available for about 48,900 rupees. I expect this phone will be available in a very limited quantity during the Big Billion Days sale. But in my opinion, whatever units will be sold for around 27 to 28k. The 256GB variant of this phone will be priced a little higher, and it would make more sense to consider the iPhone 13 at that price point. There was a massive upgrade in the battery department after the iPhone 13 lineup, and this phone was available for 41,000 during the Big Billion Days sale last year. And I think that this phone will be available for 36k this year during the Big Billion Days sale. And I personally feel that this is a very good deal at this price point. How many of you are thinking to buy an iPhone 13? Please comment below. So next, if we talk about the iPhone 14, last year this phone was available for around 45,000 during the Big Billion Days sale, and as per my expectation, I feel that you will be able to buy this phone for around 37-38k this year on the Big Billion Days sale. And in my opinion, iPhone 14 is a very good option to buy under 40k price point. And last year, an upgraded version of this phone, iPhone 14 Plus, went through a massive price drop during the Big Billion Days last year. Even I know many people who have bought this phone for around 51,000. But I don't think that this year the iPhone 14 Plus will be available at a significant discount. We will talk about the reason just in the moment. Now let's talk about the iPhone 15. This popular phone was priced at around 55 to 56k last year during the Big Billion Days sale. And if you guys have been tracking, this year during the summer sale, this product was priced at around 52k. So according to my expectation and my calculation, this phone should be available for about 45-46k during this year's Big Billion Days sale. And I personally feel that this product will be very high selling during this sale. Next in the segment is iPhone 16. Let's talk about it. So normally this phone is available for about 82,000 rupees, and during summer sale, this product went down to 60,000 rupees, which I feel was a major price drop. And this clearly indicates that iPhone 16 will also see a major price drop during the Big Billion Days sale this year. So we should see the phone to be available at around 50 to 53k during the Big Billion Days this year. Now, if you're looking to buy iPhone 14 Plus, you should wait, because in my opinion, iPhone 15 Plus will be available for around 53 to 54k during the Big Billion Days sale. And that will be a significant upgrade for over the iPhone 14 Plus. This year, you should expect to see a new addition in the iPhone, which is the iPhone 16e during the Big Billion Days sale. If you have been tracking, then this phone was around 48k during the summer sale. And I feel that you should be able to see this phone available at rupees 40,000 during the Big Billion Days sale. So this was my take of iPhone prices during the upcoming Big Billion Days sale on Flipkart. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments below. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and like this video.